Hello, Jailer Shark here and about to do your weekly weather for the middle of May. Look at the weather. It's low season. Look, it's blue sky all behind me. It wasn't like that about 2 hours ago. There were some drops of sunshine falling from the sky, but right now, beautiful. Absolutely stunning. That's the joys of low season. Anyway, if you want to know what the weather's doing for this week, then stay tuned because me, are going to tell you that. So let's go see it. Right, unless you want to see my garden. We've done that a few times, haven't we? You don't want to see my garden. No, let's go do the weather. Woohoo! I'm still waving. I'll go now. Hello, Jay here. Thanks, Jay, for the intro. That was nice. Right, let's do the weather. Middle of May, which is a transitional period, so there are some drops of sunshine falling from the sky at the moment, and it has happened. Generally, it's either really, really late at night or really, really early in the morning, but that might change. Right, let's get to the weather. So, here we go. We go to our normal one, which is windy. Now, windy dictates the wind. Now, green is windy, yellow's really windy, blue is not so windy, and purple is no wind at all. Now, why do we look at the wind? Because the wind dictates the waves. And as you can see, this is Sunday morning. The wind is coming from the west. Now, that is the normal wind direction for low season, rainy season, green season, whatever you want to call it. So that's our normal season. Now, that means, this is Phuket here, on the west coast of Phuket, the beaches can become quite rough and you do get a lot of trash washed up because all the trash comes from the open ocean and lands on the west coast beaches. And you also do get rip currents and rip tides during this time of year. So, warning, if you see a red flag on the beach on the west coast of Phuket, please don't go swimming. Every year people think, oh, I can swim, it's fine. There are rip currents and rip tides, so please be very, very careful. Right, anyway, let's look at the weather. So, the wind's coming from the west, so that's cool. So Phang Nga Bay is always protected, so that's a good place to go during this time of year. Phi Phi can get a little bit bumpy, and it is going to be bumpy this morning. This is looking at Sunday the 11th. Let's look at Sunday afternoon. Sunday afternoon, the wind dies down, and then it's kind of still coming from the west. It still might be a little bit bumpy coming back from Phi Phi, but Phang Nga Bay will be fine. We're not even going to mention the Similin Islands because they're closed. Don't go to the Similin Islands. May 15th, I know it's May 11th we're talking about this, but May 15th they're closed for 6 months, so don't even bother going up there. Plus it'll be really, really bumpy, so it won't be very nice. Let's look at Monday the 12th. Oh, Monday morning, lots of wind coming from the west. And then Monday afternoon, still lots of wind, so Monday could be a little bit bumpy. So if you are heading down to Phi Phi, I'll double check that because it might be a bit bumpy. Once again, Phang Nga Bay, Hong Krabi. I was at Hong Krabi last week and it was lovely. It's a really cool place to go, Hong Krabi. If you've not seen the video about it, go and check it out. Because if you want the crystal clear waters and you want the emerald lagoons and you want a fantastic viewpoint and amazing coffee, then Hong Krabi's where to go. Anyway, that's in a like safe zone because it's up here. It's kind of sheltered by Krabi and by Phang Nga Bay. Let's look at Tuesday morning. Tuesday, wind dies down, which is nice. Big bit of purple all around over here, which is just touching into Phi Phi and into Phang Nga Bay, so it looks like a good morning to go out on Tuesday. Tuesday afternoon, the wind does pick up. Gets a bit windy Tuesday afternoon, look at that. But not too bad, it's nothing that we're worried about. It just might be a little bit bumpy coming back from Phi Phi area. Let's look at Wednesday. Once again, the wind is still coming from the west, it's actually coming from the southwest, which is normal once again, and it does look like it's going to be a bit bumpy coming back from Phi Phi. Once again, Phang Nga Bay, absolutely fine this time of year. Wednesday afternoon, wowzers, Wednesday afternoon looks lovely. Good day to go out Wednesday afternoon, look. So not too shabby, that one. Let's look at Thursday the 15th. Oh, that looks good too. Thursday looks a nice day to go out. Doesn't look like there's too much wind on Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon, whoa, looks good. Apart from up here in Similin Islands, but we've talked about that, not going to Similin Islands. Looks nice though. Thursday afternoon, let's look at Friday. Friday looks awesome. Friday the 16th looks really nice. Loads of purple all around Phuket here. Phi Phi looks good, Phang Nga Bay looks good. Good day to go out on Friday. Friday afternoon looks pretty cool too. Friday's a great day to go out. Wouldn't mind that. Saturday looks good too. So Saturday the 17th, so that's in a week and a day's time. Saturday 17th looks good. Saturday afternoon, even better. Wow, Friday and Saturday next week look awesome. And then Sunday the 18th, so a week today, that looks good too. Oh, a little bit of purple coming through here, purple all around here, blue, looks lovely. Sunday afternoon, wowzers. So Friday, Saturday and Sunday look really, really good. There's only one day, what is it, Thursday that looks a bit windy. Wednesday's not too bad. What did I say then, Thursday? Yeah, Thursday's the day, or maybe Monday. Monday was the day. Don't go out, well, you can still go out Monday. Phang Nga Bay is probably the trip to go out on Monday if you're going out on Monday. So that's windy. So now let's look at our acute weather. I know this is quite small, but this is your sort of standard weather forecast. So Sunday, thick cloud cover of occasional rain, 32 degrees, 80% chance of rain there. Monday's a 91% chance of rain. Tuesday, and we looked at that because that's a bad day, Monday. Looks like there will be a few drops of sunshine. Now, when it says occasional rain, when it says 91%, it doesn't mean it's going to rain over the whole of Phuket for 91% of the day. There's a 91% chance that it will rain somewhere in Phuket. In fact, I was driving back here from taking my son to his trumpet lesson. Just bought a trumpet, 6,500 baht. It's a lot of money for a trumpet, isn't it? Very expensive. Is it expensive? I don't know. I don't know how much trumpets are. Anyway, it was a nickelback trumpet. He tried to tell me the silver one, but that was an extra 2,000 baht. I wasn't going to spend that. Anyway, forget about my trumpets. So, it was raining at my house because I left my washing out, but it wasn't raining where I was buying the trumpet, and they are very close locations. I should show you on the map, really, but that means I have to tell Miguel where the trumpet shop was and where my house is, and I don't want to tell him that because he then might stalk me. Yes, Miguel. I mean, probably won't, to be fair. Anyway, Tuesday, 33 degrees. Now, Wednesday, 32. Thunderstorms, that's normal. The chance of rain drops down from Wednesday onwards, and that is the same as what we looked at with the wind. So it's all kind of the pattern looks at the end of next week looks better than the start of the week. Does look good for the end of next week. Yeah, 33, 34, 32. So it's still hot. And this is normal for this time of year. As I said, May is the shoulder period. It's the change of weather, change of wind direction. We're getting into our normal weather pattern. There will be, I'd imagine in a couple of weeks, some flash flooding warnings. And the reason for that is because Phuket's drains can't handle the big gallons of rain that comes down in seconds. But don't worry right now, there's no flash flooding. And when there will, Sean will get off his bed, get his iPhone and do a quick video and get 1 million views because that's what he does. Love him. He's busy today, by the way. The final thing we're going to look at is our TMD Radar, which is no point. I say this every single week. Absolutely no point. One, it's really small. But this is live. So this is exactly right now as we're talking. We have this on all day long. I say we. Sean has this on all day long at the office to see what the rain's doing so he can then tell his team, what is the rain doing? Is it coming? At the moment, there's no rain coming. All the rain is on the west coast, although the wind is coming from that way, which means this bit of rain will probably come this way. But I think it will go and head up that way towards Phang Nga, which is good. But it doesn't really matter now because that's right now live on a Sunday morning. So it makes no difference to your lives whatsoever. So there you go. As we said, next weekend looks the best, or the next week looks better from Wednesday onwards, but you can still go out Monday and Tuesday, and we will email you, everyone who's booked a 5-star marine tour, we email you the day before you go out and we let you know what the weather's doing. If it is at any time inclement and you don't want to go out, we can talk about that and we can arrange to change a date. No problem at all, because we care. That's right, we care. So there you go, that's your weather for this week, middle of May, here, live from my house in Phuket. Good, eh? Great. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh, and if you are going to go on Facebook and ask the Facebook groups what the weather's doing, we'll happily answer that, or you can put in the comment below. But don't ask a specific question like someone said, I'm coming for the first week of October. What's the weather going to be like on the Tuesday I arrive? We don't know. Anyway, rant over. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.